let's meet Rasta the Alexandrine parrot and the star of this video. Via positive reinforcement, he has learnt lots of great behaviours, like object retrieve.
Good boy.
Placing a coin in a money box.
In the hole? Good boy.
Flights to the
Rasta?
hand. I was very impressed with his training when I was
boy.
first introduced to Rasta, and I was really excited about doing a VIP mentor program with him and Julian. One area we wanted to work towards was doing some tactile work with Rasta. However, Rasta was demonstrating a little bit of uncertainty surrounding his wings being touched. After watching this video, Julian and I discussed how we had to listen
boy.
to Rasta's body language
Scratch.
and use it to predict if Rasta was uncomfortable. We decided that if he leant away, we would
Scratch.
then remove our hand, and we also devised a shaping plan, and using positive reinforcement, we taught Rasta to move towards our hand and towards tactile interaction. What I'm going to show you now is how via the mentoring program, I have the ability to take video of your training, freeze frame it, slow it down, add written information, and more to really help supercharge your learning opportunity. Watch the edited version of the Wing Touch now and see how we put all of this in action and also the results we achieved after only 9 days.